In this video, we're going to be comparing the Rode NTH100 and the Beyerdynamics DT770 Pros to help you decide if you should consider one of these headphones for your home studio. First, let's talk about the price. These headphones retail for around $150 to $170, and in the box, you'll get the headphones, a 3.5mm cable, a 1/4-inch adapter, a storage pouch, and the Rode also comes included with color-coded clips. Next, let's talk about everything that they share in common. Both are classified as closed-back headphones, meaning they're going to completely cover your ears, which is great for recording because you will prevent any of the playback from bleeding into the microphone as you record. Also, both have a frequency response ranging from 5 Hz all the way up to 35,000 Hz. And of course, since they're studio headphones, they're going to give you a much more accurate response than typical consumer headphones. But now, let's go over some of their key differences. Starting with the design, the Beyerdynamics are only offered in a black and gray finish, while the Rodes are available in both black and white finishes. The ear cups on the Beyerdynamics have a classic round-shaped design with velour padding, while the Rode has an ergonomic ear-shaped design with Alcantara cooling foam. The right and left indicators are also found on the outside of the Beyerdynamics, while in the inside of the Rodes. The headrests on the Beyerdynamics have a leather feel to them, while the Rode has the Alcantara cooling foam. And while both headphones have adjustable headbands, the Rode also comes included with a locking system, allowing you to lock them in place. Another two exclusive features of the Rode is that it has dual-sided cable attachments, giving you flexibility to choose which side to connect your cable to, in contrast to the Beyerdynamics, which the cable is just built onto the headphones itself. And the Rode is also compatible with the NTH microphone, turning it into a professional headset. This is great, especially if you're somebody working from home and having to attend a lot of video calls, or if you're a gamer having to film a lot of live streams, but you don't want to bother messing with an audio interface or your studio microphone. When it comes to specs, the Rodes are only sold in a 32 ohm configuration, which means they have low impedance. This is great because you're going to be able to power those headphones on pretty much any audio source, from audio interfaces to laptops and even phones. In contrast, the Beyerdynamics are sold in 3 different models: 32, 80, and 250 ohm configurations. Keeping in mind, the higher the impedance, the more detail you'll be able to hear in the sound, but it does come at a cost, which is the more power it will take to drive those headphones. So just know, if you do choose the 250 ohms version, yes, you're going to be able to hear way more detail in the sound, but they're not going to get very loud unless you have a powerful audio interface to drive them. When looking at their frequency response, the Beyerdynamics do have a little bit more boost in the treble section, while the Rode has a flatter response in the lows and mids and a bit of attenuation in the high frequencies. So after extensive use, what are my overall thoughts and who would I recommend these headphones to? Before I share them with you, if you enjoy gear reviews like this one, then don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. First, I just want to say that whether you're a musician, a content creator, podcaster, or voice actor, you can get professional results with both headphones, so I really don't think you can go wrong with either one. But with that being said, here are my thoughts. If what you care about most is comfort, then hands down, the Rode NTH100s is the better option. From the ergonomic ear-shaped design to the Alcantara cooling foam, you're going to be able to wear these for long periods of time without experiencing any ear fatigue. Seriously, I cannot stress this enough, these are the most comfortable headphones that I've ever used. However, if what you care about most is mixing in high impedance headphones so you can hear every single detail of your recordings, then the Beyerdynamics is a better choice. These are great, especially for listening to a lot of detail in the high frequencies, but in contrast, if you want a pair of headphones that has a much more flatter frequency response without any coloration, then you might benefit more from the Rode NTH100s. And finally, when it comes to overall features and flexibility, I think the Rode takes the win because it has a locking headband system, dual-sided cable attachments, and it's compatible with the NTH microphone, turning it into a professional headset. If you want to buy one of these headphones, the links are down in the description below. And if you're also looking for an incredible pair of studio monitors, then make sure to click on this video and I'll show you my favorite ones.